Hey, Dan Passarelli here. Well, we are kind of kicking off earnings season, or at least easing into it. I would say we don't really kick off earnings season for another 2 weeks, but we've got some of the financial companies announcing, like Progressive Insurance, Charles Schwab, U.S. Bank Corp, and a couple others. So we'll be hearing from some of the banks this week, and that is going to starting the tone for this coming earnings season. And this earnings season is going to matter because if we see some signs that maybe earnings are weaker than expected, or at least not meeting analyst expectations, or just meeting them, because typically about 70% of the time or so companies tend to outperform even the analyst expectations. If we see some of that weakness, then that could be a sign that maybe the economy is not doing as well as we think, and that could have an effect on interest rates. That being said, too, there's a whole ton of Fed speakers this whole week, and a lot of sort of ancillary news being released, housing starts and some retail sales figures and such. So there's plenty of information. Let's keep an eye on it. Let's keep an eye on earnings. Oh, and speaking of earnings, in case you haven't registered for my webinar that is coming up very, very soon, go and register for this online training on how to trade earnings right now. This is Dan Passarelli, Trade Smart.